Some late autumn planting at Terryland Forest Park.
These are daffodils, bluebells and crocus, and we're going to plant them all over there beside the trees. We want a lot of bees and we want a lot of butterflies to come.
The seeds for this space were sown around the time of the first UN discussions on combating human interference on climate change in the mid-1990s. That coincided with a local campaign in Galway to counter urban sprawl.
180 acres was set aside that starts at the Corrib down at Terryland Castle and goes up to Castlegar Castle. And on March the 12th, 2000, this was just a field, and nearly 3,000 people of all ages turned up. They came to a field and they left behind a forest. And it's not just any forest, it's native Irish trees. So what you see today is the result of people of 21 years ago.
The park lies just a few hundred metres from the city centre and straddles the N6 dual carriageway over the River Corrib, but it's become home to a broad range of flora and fauna.
This is actually a nature sink. It's a little pocket of nature within our city boundaries that are keeping our animals and our ecosystems alive within the city.
Now the initiative forms part of a broader campaign for Galway to achieve the status of a national park city.
It's to bring to people's minds the first thing they do before they start planning, before they start developing, when new initiatives are thought of, that the first thing they think of is, well, what's the impact on our environment?
Time flies, but the environmental and civic organisations involved in this project say it shows how much can be achieved with a concerted focus and a shared goal. Pat McGrath, RTE News, Galway.